And my dear Islam brothers, as soon as you open the internet, sometimes you get this pop-up message. For us as well. But for our children, if you have young children, it's very, very important that we know what these children are seeing on the internet. Sometimes you get this pop-up message. And that pop-up message comes and it says, "Hi Ali, do you know me?" And when you think to yourself, "Oh, I am from Susan." You think, "Who's Susan?" "Oh, I know you from school." And then you reply back to that text message. And then that text message, it says, "Do you want to see me? Click on this button and then you will be able to see me." And it says at that time that 999 chances out of 1,000, 999 times you are being redirected to a porn website. So just imagine that 12-year-old young lad with nothing in his mind is on the internet doing his homework, and 999 chances out of 1,000 he is being redirected to a porn website. Ab uska haya kahan rahega? Where is he going to find modesty inside himself? When he sees all that, he's definitely going to change. And then that is why he's going to go to the room. He's not going to tell you what he's doing because he's hiding everything from you. Aur pyare Islam bhaiyo, that increases inside a person. There was a brother, alhamdulillah, who's much into this kind of subjects, and he also does psychology as well. And he says that a person, when he looks at these things, when he looks at these kind of things, that thing, it burns inside his heart. When's the next time he could see them again? He's innocent, he doesn't know, but he's going to go back to it again and again and again. Let me just tell you a few quick facts about the internet. According to a child exploitation and online protection center, the police say, this is very, very critical, if you have young boys or girls who are surfing on the internet, you must be looking over them all the time to see what they are doing. Because according to this report, it says that the police say that there are all the time, 24 hours, there are more than 50,000 sexual predators, or you can say pedophiles online at one time. 50,000. They are looking for someone to click in, to log in, so that they can talk to them. So ye pyare Islam bhai, ye na soche, ye nahi ho raha, this is happening. And there is one of the royal family, member of the royal family, her daughter, the woman who teaches her, she was a pedophile as well. अब देखिए हम सोचते हैं यार we send them to school is a very safe environment, लेकिन मैं आपको बताऊं, schools today, what is happening inside the school, and sadly, because it is the same son or daughter, it is the same boy or girl who goes to school, who comes to the madrasa. So today this is happening inside the school, but we are just waiting for that bomb to explode. It's going to happen inside the masjids as well. In Bolton, a 13-year-old girl has been excluded from school permanently because she was seen selling drugs to her class fellows. 13-year-old. And the sad thing is she was a Muslim as well. 13 साल की school में drugs बेच रही है. And in Bury, two teachers, Muslim teachers in Bury, are both suspended from school because they were selling drugs in school as well. Sadly, they were Muslims as well. We think today, if you talk to a person on the street, oh, it's not happening in our community. हमारे में नहीं है, हम मुसलमान हैं, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मुसलमान हैं. लेकिन देखिए ना where this thing is taking us. ये बीमारी is spreading. It is spreading to in our communities. आज ये स्कूल में हो रहा है. That 13-year-old girl, she probably goes to madrasa as well. She's going to go to the madrasa. Do you think that she's going to let go of her habits just like that? वो तो 13 साल की बच्ची है. Who's behind her? There are so many guns behind her. और प्यारे इस्लाम भाई, मैं आपको बताऊं ये another fact कि majority of the guns which are operating and selling drugs, I don't know elsewhere, but I'm talking about the Yorkshire region. Majority of the drugs, the gangs who are operating, they are all Muslims, and probably they are from the Pakistani origin as well. These are our brothers and sisters. And not only that, sadly, I don't want to mention that, but for us to understand how serious things are, there are Muslim girls who are turning to prostitution as well. Because they need that money, they're craving for money. Just before I came to the ijtima, a brother, he came and he goes, we need some ta'weez, we need to do istikhara, we need to do something seriously, quickly. What happened? There's this young lad, he's run away with his goli, he's run away with her, he's had a relationship with her before, and now he's even doubting about his own religion as well. यानी इसको इस्लाम से नफरत हो गई है. क्यों? वालिदैन कम करते हैं उसको. And because of that, he's run away from home. We need some ta'weez. Inshallah, we will give you ta'weez. But seriously, do you think that, I can't say that these ta'weez won't work, because they will work inshallah. लेकिन प्यारे इस्लाम भाइयों, हमने पहले सोचा था ना इसका. That young boy, whatever he was doing at home, when he started changing, why didn't the parents think and realize at that time? लेकिन इसके बारे में हम सोचते नहीं हैं. We think it's someone else's son or daughter. It's not our son or daughter. And another thing, it says that an article in the Daily Mail in 2006. Why I'm telling you these stories is because I don't want the shaitan to whisper this in your mind. Oh, he's talking about 1400 years ago. He's talking about pre-Islamic era. I'm not talking about pre-Islamic. I'm talking about today's age, your age. What is happening today? It says that in the Daily Mail on the 13th of July 2006, a researcher did some studies regarding the chat room mindfuck, chat rooms, and he says in that chat room, he says, I did a study and there were so many Asian girls on that chat room, dressed up in lavish clothes, in all makeup. You see that, I haven't been myself, but there are brothers who say that there's a chat room Facebook, you go on there and you see all these Muslim girls, Muslim boys, all there talking about their own private lives as well. तो प्यारे इस्लाम भाइयों, that is what is attacking your haya. आज हमारे बच्चे हमारी बात नहीं सुनते. Today our younger generation is away from the masjid. Our younger generation don't come to the masjid to offer their namaz. It is because that haya is no more inside. And going back to the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, तुम्हारे अंदर हया नहीं है ना, do whatever you want. If you don't have haya, modesty inside you, do whatever you want. And this is what is happening today. And we don't bury your head under the sand. Don't think that this is not happening. Don't be thinking to yourself that, oh, this is not true. Because you know that for a fact, that is true. Who's going to sort this problem out? Is it going to be Maulana Sahib in the masjid? Is it going to be the committee members? Who's going to sort this problem out? It's me and you who's going to sort this problem out. एक सिर्फ एक मिसाल देता हूँ कि today when we talk about solving problems, we don't volunteer, we don't come forward to solve these problems. We're always thinking to ourselves, it's the next person who's going to do it. I'm going to tell you a short story about a king, and he ordered his people that he dug a big hole, and he was telling everyone that put milk in this hole. I need to fill this up with milk. So Peshwar people, the whole village, everyone had that same mentality. It's alright if I don't put milk in it, so what's my real pint of milk going to do? Other people, there's thousands of people living in the village, they'll sort something out. And in the morning when they went there to see the hole, it was full of water. Someone that was everyone put water in. They all started thinking to themselves, he's going to put milk in, so what if I put a bit of water in? Har kisi ne paani dala. Today we talk about these problems. We talk about them back there, we sit with our friends, we say there's problems, we need to sort something out, we need to do something seriously. लेकिन जब काम की बारी आती है, हम सब पीछे हट जाते हैं. वो करेगा, ये करेगा. नहीं प्यारे इस्लाम भाइयों, you are the ones who have to do it. I am the one who has to do it. Because we are the ones who are living in this community, and if we don't solve these problems, they're going to get worse and worse and worse. And the only people who are going to be the losers are us. Today, if it's my next door neighbor, that fire, if I don't extinguish, if I don't take that fire out, is going to be my house. So I'll say, प्यारे इस्लाम भाइयों, work as a team, work together, and try to eliminate these problems we have in our societies. And alhamdulillah, now is the chance for us. किसी को पता है ये कौन सा महीना है? Which month are we in now? Rajab. We have an opportunity.